If you ever have a computer where every time it gets unplugged and you plug it back in, you get an error like this that says CMOS checksum invalid. The CMOS will be reset to its default configuration. Well, it typically indicates that you have a bad CMOS battery. TR2032 battery is pretty important because its job when your computer happens to lose power from the wall, it actually supplies just enough power for your motherboard to remember two things: the date and time information as well as your BIOS settings, which is basically the back-end computer configuration info, which includes things like your boot order, power configuration, and RAM speeds, which is pretty annoying when those get reset. The good thing though is even when your CMOS battery is bad, most of the time your system will still boot. But as this system's already here for another repair, let's go ahead and get this swapped out. On this model, it's pretty easy. We just first need to remove the speaker grill, then these 7 screws, lay the system flat, and lift up the screen. Where on the motherboard, we can find our CMOS battery, which if you just push down on this metal tab, the battery pops right out. And to verify that this is a faulty CMOS battery, we can take my battery tester, slide it into place, and check out that button battery. This thing is completely dead. So let's take our replacement, go ahead and just slot it into place, snap it down, and we can now close this system up, screw down the panel, reinstall our speaker grill. Instead of getting stuck on that air, it loads straight to Windows. Because we now have a CMOS battery that has enough power to keep our motherboard up even when our system loses power.